Hey gorgeous people, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a weave ponytail. A couple of items you're going to need is of course hair. I have 18 inches. I have a wax stick which is optional, some type of holding spray, hair glue, and black wrap strips, and a comb, a brush, and rubber bands and scrunchies. And before we even get started on laying the ponytail, make sure your real hair is flat ironed if you really want your ponytail to look sleek. Before I spray my hair down, I'm going to pull out all the edges I want out, because when I spray holding spray on my hair, everything is going to be stuck together. I'm going for dramatic edges. Now I'm going to create a loose ponytail so I can see how high I want my ponytail. Take your comb and pre-create your ponytail, making sure all the hairs is fully combed through. Now let's mold down our hair. Start with one section at a time. I'm starting with the back of my hair, then taking my brush and going over it with my comb to make sure all the inside hairs are laid down with my ponytail. I'm going to repeat the same steps all the way around my head, then secure it with the scrunchie. Next, I'm going to take my black strip and stretch it and wrap it around my head to make sure the back of my head doesn't get messed up while we work on a ponytail. Now let's go ahead and braid down the ponytail we just did and secure the end with a small rubber band. After you braid down your braid, take another strip and tie it to the top of your ponytail. Watch me closely how I do this, because we're going to be wrapping our ponytail with this same strip and you don't want it to slip off. Now I'm taking my hair glue and double wrapping the top of my ponytail to make sure the ponytail stays in place. I wrapped it about 2 to 3 times. Don't forget guys, you're putting the glue on a strip and not your real hair. Now that the top is secure, I can move on to wrapping the actual braid. Take your glue and apply it to the edge of the strip and then lay the strip on top of the glue. Be careful not to get glue on your hair and go slow. Once you're done wrapping and no hair from your ponytail is showing, ponytail should look like this. I'm spraying holding spray on my ponytail also because I want my ponytail to have an extra hold so it doesn't slip off easily. Now let's get into the weave ponytail. Take your glue and apply some to the beginning of the track and start at the bottom of the ponytail and work your way all the way up. As you work your way up, add glue to the ponytail, then wrap the track to the ponytail. Just keep repeating this step until you get all the way to the top. that I'm at the top and all the hair is wrapped around a ponytail, I'm going to take the end piece of the hair and flat iron it. Then taking some hairspray and wrapping it around to cover the top of my ponytail. Use a comb or edge brush to smooth out the hairs, then take a dryer to dry it. I'm taking some hairspray to straighten my ponytail. After I'm done straightening my ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and curl my edges, and you can either take edge control or edge wax and form your edges like so. And all the products that I used in this video is going to be in the description below, so make sure you go check that out. And this is the final product. If you guys loved the video, comment or like the video. Stay gorgeous, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.